Gender inequality, a persistent challenge. Introduction. Gender inequality remains a significant global issue, affecting millions of people in various ways. Despite progress in some areas, the disparity between men and women persists in education, employment, healthcare, and politics. Gender inequality limits the potential of individuals and hinders the development of society as a whole. Education and employment gaps. One of the primary areas of gender inequality is education. According to UNESCO, girls are more likely than boys to never set foot in the classroom. This lack of access to education often translates into fewer job opportunities and lower income for women. In the workplace, women frequently face wage gaps and underrepresentation in leadership roles. The World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report highlights that women earn about 77 cents for every dollar earned by men. Healthcare and disparities. In healthcare, women often receive inadequate attention compared to men. In some cultures, women's health issues are neglected, leading to higher maternal mortality rates and limited access to reproductive health services. As Hillary Clinton famously said, women's rights are human rights. Ensuring equitable healthcare is essential to upholding this principle. Political representation. The political arena also reflects gender disparity. Women are underrepresented in parliaments and other decision-making bodies. As of 2024, only about 26% of parliamentary seats worldwide are held by women. Greater representation is necessary to address issues that disproportionately affects women, such as domestic violence and equal pay. Conclusion. Gender inequality is not just a women's issue, but a social challenge. Achieving gender equality will require concerted efforts from governments, organizations, and individuals. As Malala Yousafzai stated, we cannot all succeed when half of us are held back. A just and equitable society is only possible when everyone is given equal opportunities to thrive. To build a fair and inclusive world, addressing gender inequality is not just a choice, but a responsibility we all share. Together we can drive change and inspire others to act. If this message resonated with you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more impactful discussions.